Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here we are explaining about to connect your iegeek security camera to Wi-Fi network using the app. Let's start the process. First of all, you need to download and install Cam Hi or Cam Hi Pro app on your smartphone. You can find the app on the Apple App Store or Google Play. Now, you need to connect the iegeek security camera into the router via an Ethernet cable and then plug the power supply adapter in. Now, open iegeek security camera app on your smartphone. Then click Add Device option. Now choose the IP camera and then New Device option. Tap on Connected Network Cable. In the next, choose the camera UID, which you want to connect. UID is available on the device list. Here, you need to enter the password admin and then tap on Add to option. To connect the iegeek security camera with Wi-Fi network, you need to tap on the setting icon on the app. Now you will redirected to the other options. Here, you can find all settings of your camera. The first option will be wireless setting. Select that option. Now, you need to tap on the Get the wireless network around the device to choose the Wi-Fi you want to connect. After you enter your Wi-Fi password, it will say wireless setup successfully. Wait for around 1 minute as this camera needs to reboot and you can't make any changes during the reboot. After the rebooting process, the iegeek security camera will show online. Now, unplug the Ethernet cable. Wait for about 2 minutes to reboot the camera and restart your app. In case of any technical issue or you can't able to connect iegeek security camera with your Wi-Fi network, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.